Hi friends, I'm Sarah from Flourishing Fibers. Today we're working on a simple and fun project, the Diamond Gem Bookmark. This tutorial will walk you through the entire process of bringing a paper embroidery design to life. I wanted to create something straightforward to help you get comfortable with the craft and start stitching right away. To get started, I've printed the pattern directly onto my paper. I'll begin by scoring the center line and then cutting out the bookmark shape. If you'd like to learn more about the different ways to transfer patterns, especially onto dark paper, I have a detailed video covering all of that linked below. You can also find links to this pattern and all the tools I'm using in the description. If you find this helpful, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Your support truly helps the channel grow. Now that the paper is trimmed, I lay down my piercing pad and place the cutout on top. Using a fine point awl, I'm using to pierce a hole everywhere there is a dot. The pad is important because it protects your table and it keeps your awl tip from getting dull or breaking. I have these high density pads available in my shop, but you could also use a piece of foam from a shipping package if you're just starting out. Once the holes are ready, let's look at the rest of our supplies. You're using 6 strands of embroidery floss, a size 24 tapestry needle, sharp scissors, and masking tape to secure our ends. You'll also want some double-sided tape or a glue stick for the final step. I like to pre-thread my needles to save time, but that's completely optional. The design is very beginner-friendly because it uses only straight stitches. Now, just follow the printed lines to create the diamond shapes. When you reach the end of a thread, simply secure it on the back with a small piece of masking tape. This keeps the back flat and avoids the bulk of heavy knots. When the stitching is finished, fold the paper along that center line we scored earlier. Take a moment to trim any long thread ends so they stay tucked inside. While you don't have to seal the bookmark, I prefer to close mine permanently. Just apply a bit of double-sided tape or glue around the edges, fold it over, and press firmly. And just like that, you're done. You now have a beautiful handmade bookmark for your next reading adventure. I hope you enjoyed this project, and again, all the links are in the description. If this was helpful, I'd love it if you could give this video a like and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for your support. Until next time, keep on stitching. Bye.